Dear viewers, I'm happy to inform you that one of our student who has taken admission in genetics plant breeding this year by cracking CUET All India rank second, and he has taken admission in August 2024 in our department genetics plant breeding BHU Varanasi. He is Mr. Raunik Sen. Sen has got second position in All India rank this CUET, and congratulations Raunik. He has now today, this is 11th September 2024, he has come to me that sir, I have cracked the JRF also. So congratulations Raunik for your best efforts and success. My best wishes to you for your future endeavor, and do your best in plant breeding, because you see, nobody can feed people the growing population except plant breeders. You have doctors, you have engineers, you have managers, you have everyone, but if you don't have good breeders, so there will be food scarcity. So Raunik, you have cracked JRF and you have got All India rank 4th position. So I must congratulate again to you that you go, and most probably you will be getting IARI, the premier institute for which every student is having the dream. So can you give some tips to our viewers that how you did that?
Sir, actually I used to follow the basic books only, like for genetics BDC only, for breeding BDC only, and before BDC I would like to go through Pundan Singh and then only go to BDC. Then it will be very helpful for you, and do consistent reading. Do not left anything like if you are studying one day 6 hours and another day 2 hours, that is not going to help you. I also did the same thing, that's why I got somehow less marks and my rank got 4th. Otherwise I could have done better, I know. And other than that, sir has lot of videos in YouTube, so you can go through that. Like he has taught almost each and everything of plant breeding that I have watched also during my preparation, and that helped me a lot. So that's all from my side.
So what is your native place, Mr. Raunik?
I am from West Bengal, sir, actually.
Achha,
And
okay.
my house is almost 4 hours from Kolkata.
Kolkata, 4 hours journey from Kolkata by train. Okay.
It's around 210 kilometers.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I congratulate you again,
Thank you, sir.
and my best wishes to you for your future endeavor. Try to become a greatest breeder
Thank you, sir.
to feed the world.
I will try my best. Thank
All
you,
the
sir.
best.
Thank you.
All the best.